Okay, now we have to tackle R5, which is about saying that customers of type corporate cannot hold savings accounts. And again, we will express this constraint or this invariant using a set-based expression. So if I go back here, I will first identify this invariant. So I'll create an assertion for it, and I will call it corporate have no savings. And my type checker complains because it has not been defined. And the way I'm going to say this is, I'm going to say, since the association holds defines a set of pairs, I'm going to define this constraint as a restriction on the association holds. I will say that all those pairs formed by the corporate customers which are related with the accounts which are savings, this set of pairs, corporate customers and savings accounts, must be empty. This is what I am going to say. So I'm going to double click to start creating this set-based constraint. I'm going to enlarge it a little bit. And now I will start with a set expression, which is the third option that I get if I hover the mouse on the predicate compartment down here. I will leave it as it is, and inside I will put a set definition. And my set definition, as I said, will restrict the relation holds. And I will express this using a restriction on the domain and a restriction on the range. So if I go back to holds, I can see that the domain of this relation is formed by the customer set, and the range of this relation is formed by the account set. So now I need to make the restrictions that I want using property edge modifiers. So I will select the domain restriction symbol, which is this one, and now I will build a set expression saying that it's restricted to all those customers which are corporate. Oops, sorry, I'm doing it manually. All those customers whose type, so C type, is corporate. And yeah, my type checker is happy with it. The formula is still not correct, but this bit here is correct. So I've constrained the domain to the customers that are corporate, the domain of the relation holds. And now I will need to constrain the range of the relation holds. And I am going to constrain it to all those accounts which are savings. So accounts whose A type is equal to savings. Yeah, and my type checker likes this. And now what I have to say is that this set made up of the relation holds restricted to the corporate customers and the range restricted to the account savings, well, this set must be empty. This set of pairs must be empty, and so the shaded must be set to true to mean that this set must be empty. So the set of pairs made up of corporate customers and accounts that are savings must be empty. And this says effectively that corporate customers cannot hold savings accounts.